Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are diving into an amazing resource for teachers and parents alike, Toy Theater. If you are looking for a fun and interactive way to engage your students, you are in the right place. Don't worry, I'll share the link in the description. Toy Theater is a free online platform packed with interactive educational games designed specifically for kids in kindergarten through 3rd grade. It's a fantastic tool that makes learning a blast. From art to reading and maths, there is something for every young learner. So let's explore this platform. So you can see here on my screen the Toy Theater platform. It's very colorful, very attractive, and there are options for maths, read, arts, music, puzzles, game, and teacher tools. It's completely free platform and there are a lot of resources already available. It is saturated with very fun activities and extremely colorful. You can see here. So let's explore some tools. So right now I'm going to select teacher tools. So there are a lot of teacher tools available which is required sometime for the class, especially for mathematics. You can see the range of tools. Let's try the classroom timer. Let's say it's very quick. It's available. You can give some time and you can just set and it will start smoothly and amazing. So you can see a lot of maths games are here. Similarly, you can explore in readings, art, in music, even puzzles and games. I don't want to make this video very long, but you can explore the tools. It's very user friendly, very colorful, interactive and ideal for young children. So please try and explore this and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.